Yes, this is Slim Boland. Want to do a review on the Railmaster 202 Lite. This is the Railmaster 202, CMR 202, using the Glock 30S today. Has been safety checked, empty, no magazine. Compact little light. Does have your toggle switches on both sides. Easy to maneuver. Does have 3 settings. You have your constant on, your voluntary on, and then your strobe. You can cycle through them. I've had it for about a month now, just on home use. Like it. Very small, compact. We'll do some other videos with it momentarily.